Supreme Court due to against the SI hearing. How do you take this thing?
No, I do not know whether she has appeared there for arguing a case. I'm not sure. I don't have any information. But you see, if she had made an application, then she has the right to argue in person. There's no difficulty. Everybody can appear before any court and argue his or her own case. There's nothing new in it. There's nothing new in it. But only exception is that she claims to be a chief minister of a state. Now if she at all argues, I doubt. That will be an exception, one that the chief minister for the first time. We have seen before in Calcutta High Court that one sitting judge had appeared in court and argued his own case before another judge. Therefore, these are all a part of practice and game in our country.
We know that this SIR process in Bengal is going on for
You see, the SIR process, all the trouble which has been created, it originates from Mamata's misdeed of claiming that West Bengal is full of infiltrators. She is the first person in the political arena who created a chaos in parliament and wanted to impress upon the government of India, then run by BJP as well, that West Bengal is now overflooded by the infiltrators. That was her creation, but having come to power in 2011, she did not initiate a single step to identify if there are the infiltrators. Now the BJP is really capitalizing the story which was created by Mamata. Otherwise, the upgradation of electoral roll is a regular process. Nothing new in it. But this time the government wanted to relate this with the citizenship, wanted to relate this with assertion of certain documents which are all idiotic, I must say. The documents which they are asking for, it probably would be impossible for the family members of the election commission itself to produce. In a country where the people don't have any habit of keeping documents, or there is no compulsion that you have to have a birth certificate, you have to have a the school's living certificate. All this nonsense are creating trouble. Otherwise, there's nothing in it.
Before the election, do you think this is a political move?
No, this is absolutely not political. These are all, you see, gimmicks. She loves in gimmick. She has all throughout her political career relied upon the gimmicks, like Modi. Modi is also really relying upon gimmicks at the cost of the Indian people's interest. The Mamata is doing the same.
The people of Bengal, we know that they are emotional.
No, everybody is emotional. That's the basic. Emotion is basic inherent material of a human being. Therefore, unfortunately, in our country, in recent times, the political leaders, instead of speaking on basic issues and the basic rights of the people, they are talking on so-called gimmicks, making false promises, and those false promises are really made to swallow through the assistance of the purchased media. The principal media are all purchased, and that's the whole reason, nothing else.
But on the other hand, we see in Delhi there is like meetings going on between Nitin Nabin and other Bengal leaders.
That is there. You see, Nitin Nabin is a BJP leader. He is talking to his own party people. There's nothing in it. Unfortunately, both BJP and TMC, they are really practicing religion in the name of politics, which is dangerous, which is against the basic ethos of the Indian Constitution. Unless we make ourselves aware and conscious of this situation, we'll be in difficulty.
A few days back, we saw in the city law and order. In Gold Park, we saw shooting.
The law and order situation in Bengal is very bad. And similar in the other states as well. Whenever the people are really raising their voices for their livelihood, in one form or another, the law and order agency is against them. That's very common. And Bengal law and order situation very worse, because initially the entire machinery was used to crush the communists. And everybody were happy and thought that if it is against the communists, we will be very happy. Now that attack is coming on everybody.
But the main accused is doing Facebook Live, but
Why not? All the accused and criminals are well assured by the present regime under the leadership of Mamata that they will be protected. Because Mamata herself claims that she is the real, what should I say, the leader of goons. She said, I control the goons, and she is the controller of the goons. The goons will definitely feel happy to be in safe under her regime.